In 3 months of military operations in Ukraine, Russian-led forces have managed to establish a land road from the western Russian regions to the Crimean peninsula. The Russian side is restoring transport infrastructure in the Donbass region. Full-fledged railway communications between the Russian Federation, the Donbass, Ukraine, and Crimea are restored in 6 sections. Trains started running from Melitopol towards Crimea. Local authorities said that the first 11 wagons left Melitopol on June 7th. In Mariupol, civil infrastructure is being restored. Territory of the Azovstal plant has been completely cleared of mines. The Berdyansk seaport is back in operation. The Zaporozhye nuclear power plant, the largest in Europe, is operating in regular mode. In general, the work of 33 coal mines, 2 oil, and 14 gas fields that came under the control of the Luhansk and Donetsk People's Republics continues, despite the efforts of the Ukrainian military to inflict maximum damage to infrastructure during retreat. Meanwhile, Russian military operations in the Donbass continue with varying success. Russian units advancing from Izium have reached the outskirts of Bogorodishny and are fighting for control of the village. The Russian control zone along the MO3 highway is expanding. Battles for Dolina and Krasnopolye continue. The Russian 35th Army was struck by AFU groups entrenched in the forest to the east of the Izium-Slavyansk highway. Russian servicemen are storming the forest day after day without inflicting a massive blow which could burn out the area. On June 8th, according to preliminary reports, the Russian army took control of the village of Tatyanovka near Savaitogorsk. Russian troops are already 20 kilometers from the city of Slavyansk, one of the main strongholds of the AFU in the Donbass region. In Severodonetsk, fighting in the industrial area continues. Part of the 115th Brigade of the AFU has reportedly retreated to Lysychansk. Russian-led forces claim control of Borovskoye, located south of Severodonetsk. Fighting continues north of the town. The AFU have been pushed out of the forest to the territory of the local airfield. After Ukrainian attacks in the Kherson and Kharkov regions led to no strategic successes, the AFU are reportedly preparing for a counteroffensive in the Zaporozhye region. The assault groups of the 81st Mountain Assault Brigade of the AFU are amassing forces in Gulyapol. An attack on Russian positions in the town of Mariupol from 2 directions is expected in the near future. Artillery fighting in the region has intensified. The AFU struck the Russian positions in the area of Piataykaki. In response, the positions of the Ukrainian 128th Mountain Assault Brigade in Kamenskoye and Shtobaki were pounded.